Supreme Court Case, Brahmani River Pellets Limited vs Kamachi Industries Limited. The case Brahmani River Pellets Limited vs Kamachi Industries Limited is a legal dispute that was decided by the Supreme Court of India in 2020. It involved issues related to the enforcement of an arbitration agreement under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996, India. Here is an overview of the key aspects of the case. Brahmani River Pellets Limited, BRPL, a company engaged in the business of manufacturing and selling iron ore pellets. Kamachi Industries Limited, Kamachi, a buyer of iron ore pellets. A supply agreement was executed between BRPL and Kamachi, which contained an arbitration clause. The clause stipulated that any dispute arising out of the agreement would be referred to arbitration in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. A dispute arose, and Kamachi invoked the arbitration clause, seeking arbitration in a venue different from Bhubaneswar, arguing that the clause lacked exclusivity. The primary issue was whether the arbitration venue specified in the agreement, Bhubaneswar, was exclusive, binding the parties to conduct arbitration only at that location. The court held that when the venue of arbitration is specified in the agreement, it is deemed to have been agreed upon by both parties as the seat of arbitration unless there is an express stipulation to the contrary. The mention of Bhubaneswar as the arbitration venue indicated that it was the agreed seat of arbitration, and the parties were bound to conduct the arbitration proceedings there. The court emphasized the importance of respecting the terms of the contract, especially in commercial agreements where parties negotiate terms with autonomy. The Supreme Court upheld the exclusivity of Bhubaneswar as the arbitration seat and ruled that the arbitration could not proceed elsewhere. This reinforced the principle of party autonomy in arbitration agreements. Arbitration agreements must be respected as per the terms agreed by the parties. When a specific venue is mentioned without contradiction, it is treated as the arbitration seat. This case reaffirmed that courts should honor the express terms of an arbitration agreement and avoid interfering with the autonomy of the parties.